pileated woodpecker right there. We do see them occasionally flying around through the woods, but it's not easy to be able to get them on camera because they're very shy. And this one's probably about 100 foot up in the air on a rotten piece of wood there at the very top of this oak tree. Well, the sun's setting. We'll get a little bit of footage here, not full colors. But we'll get a little bit of footage here. You can see what it looks like when it's trying to get the insects there out of the wood. When they're pecking on a piece of wood that's really solid, it sounds about like a jackhammer. I believe if he went at this one too hard, it might break off. I hope you all enjoyed this. We'll see you next time. Be sure to subscribe to our new channel. If you like the content, well, leave us a comment there. And, well, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and when we put up a new video, they'll let you know. Heck, maybe you'll be the first to watch. We'll see you.